In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stored template in Mailgun. If you send recurring emails like newsletters, receipts, or onboarding messages, having a reusable template saves tons of time and keeps your brand consistent. I'll walk you through the exact path in the dashboard and help you choose the best editor for your needs, then share practical design tips so your template looks great and works well across devices. First, log into your Mailgun account to access the dashboard. This is your home base for managing sending, tracking, and design. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Find Sending, then select Templates. This is where your stored templates live and where you'll create new ones to reuse in future sends. Inside the Templates area, click Create Message Template. This opens a prompt to choose how you want to build. You'll see two options, the drag and drop editor and the HTML editor. Pick the one that matches your workflow and comfort level. If you choose the drag and drop editor, you'll be able to assemble your email visually with content blocks. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and great for consistent layouts. You can add headers, images, text, buttons, dividers, and footers without touching code. It's ideal when you want a clean, branded design and quick updates later. If you prefer complete control, select the HTML editor. This is best if you already have an email design or you need fine-tuned customization, such as specific table-based layouts, inline styles, or advanced responsiveness. It's a powerful option for developers and teams with an established HTML email framework. Now, design your template. Start with a clear structure, a header for your logo or brand name, a body for the main message, and a footer with helpful information. Keep it mobile-friendly by favoring a single-column layout and readable font sizes. Use strong contrast for accessibility and include descriptive alt text for images. Buttons should be obvious and action-oriented, with enough padding to tap easily on phones. Think about reusable content. Keep your copy concise and scannable, with a clear hierarchy. Headline, subheading, body text, then a call to action. If you plan to personalize, include placeholders for details like the recipient's name or dynamic sections, so the same template can adapt to different audiences. Consistent colors, typography, and spacing will reinforce your brand and make updates effortless. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to sending and templates, created a new message template, chosen the right editor, and designed a reusable layout you can rely on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Mailgun.